Hi students, this is Viswanath, chemistry faculty for NEET and IIT exams. In last class, we completed some of the points related to hydrogen spectrum. Now see the remaining. The first line in Balmer series is called H alpha line, second line H beta, third line H gamma and H delta, etc. Say this Balmer series means N1 equal to 2. N2 equal to any higher energy level. That means electron jumps from any higher energy level to second orbit. Then we can get spectral lines. Those are called Balmer series. In that, suppose electron jumps from third orbit to second orbit, that is H alpha, fourth to second H beta, fifth to second H gamma. Like this, we give a special symbols. Okay. So H delta means H delta line in Balmer series means N1 equal to 2, N2 equal to 6. Okay. Next, the spectral lines get closer when the N2 value is increased. Orbit number increases, then these spectral lines come closer to one another, each other. See this in this manner. Suppose this is the energy levels in hydrogen atom. N1 equal to 1, first orbit, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, like this. Between first and second energy level, energy difference, this gap is more. 2 and 3 less than this, 3 and 4 lesser than these two, 4 and 5 very less than this. In this way, orbit number increases. These orbits come closer to each other. Okay, next. Limiting line. If N2 is taken as infinity, infinity means last line, is called limiting line, then wave number is nu bar infinity equal to 1 by lambda infinity, that equal to RH into 1 by N1 square minus 1 by infinity square. Here N2 value infinity. So finally we can get RH divided by N1 square. Remember this limiting line. Generally they may ask a question, what is the wave number for limiting line of Balmer series, Paschen series or Lyman series? Suppose wave number of limiting line in Lyman series means N1 equal to 1, N2 equal to infinity. By using Rydberg equation, we can get answer. Okay. Next, series of hydrogen spectrum. Say this. In hydrogen spectrum, we can observe spectral lines in 6 series. Those are Lyman, N1 value 1, N2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These spectral lines appear in UV region. Balmer series, N1, 2, N2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That means from any higher energy level, from energy level 3, 4, 5, 6 to second orbit, electron jumps takes place. We can get spectral line, that is Balmer series. These lines appear in visible region. Paschen, N1 value 3, N2 value 4, 5, 6, 7 appear region near IR, infrared region. Bracket N1 4, N2 5, 6, 7 appear in IR region. Fund N1 value 5, N2 value 6, 7, 8 appear in far IR region. Next, Humphrey series, N1 value 6 and N2 value 7, 8, 9. That means from the energy levels 7, 8, 9 or any higher energy levels to 6th level, electron transition takes place. We can get Humphrey spectral lines in Humphrey series. These appear in very far IR region. So these are the total series of spectral lines in hydrogen spectrum. Okay. See the next numericals related to this. Find the value of wave number when transition of electron takes place between two levels of He plus ion whose sum is 4 and difference is 2. In He plus ion, electron transition takes place, but they do not give exact number for energy levels, but they give a condition. Sum of the energy levels is 4, difference is 2. Say this, from this we can write like this. We know that Rydberg equation for hydrogen like species is this one. Nu bar equal to 1 by lambda equal to R into Z square into 1 by N1 square minus 1 by N2 square. N2 plus N1 equal to 4. Sum of the energy levels is 4. Difference is 2. From this we can get N2 value 3. N1 value 4. Substitute in this equation. Then we can get this one. Okay. So option A is the answer, 32 by 9 into R. Next, Rydberg constant is different for different elements. It is not same for different elements. Already we know that. Next, the electronic transition that emits maximum energy. The electronic transition that emits maximum energy. Okay. Say this. Different options are given for this. In that, maximum energy means this is the answer. Say this. Between here they give 4 options. In that, N5 fifth orbit to fourth orbit, that is this to this electron jumps between these two. This is the difference. Next, 3 to 2. Between third orbit and second orbit, energy gap is more than this one. Next, 2 to 1. This gap is more than this and this. Next, 4 to 3. So, in all these 4 options, N2 from this to this electron jumps takes place. Then energy difference is more. So, option C is the answer. Understand carefully. Generally, you may do mistake in this type of questions. Understand carefully. Remember this diagram and then answer this type of questions. Between second orbit and first orbit, energy difference is more compared to the remaining options. That's why option C is the answer. Next, say the next one. Which of the following gives neither emission spectrum nor absorption spectrum? H2, He plus ion, He, H plus ion. In this, 2 electrons are there. In this, 1 electron is there. In this, 2 electrons are there. In this, no electron. So it cannot exhibit any type of spectrum. Emission spectrum, absorption spectrum, any type of spectrum cannot be exhibited by H plus ion. So option D is the answer. Next, in hydrogen spectrum, the spectral line of Balmer series having lowest wavelength. Balmer series, what is N1 value? Electron transition takes place. Electron transition takes place from any higher energy level to second orbit. Then we can get spectral lines in Balmer series. So N1 value 1. So here H alpha. H alpha means what is N2? 3. H beta 4. H gamma 5. H delta N2 value 6. But N1 value for all these spectral lines is same, that is 2. So, say this, H alpha from third orbit to second orbit, H beta fourth to second orbit, H gamma fifth to second orbit, H delta sixth to second orbit. So, here we should find out having lowest wavelength. So wavelength and energy both are inversely related. From 6th orbit to 2nd orbit, electron transition takes place. Between 6th orbit and 2nd orbit, energy difference is maximum or not? That means wavelength is lowest. So H delta line in Balmer series having lowest wavelength in the given options. Understand? Electron jumping transition takes place from 6th orbit to 2nd orbit. We can get spectral line, that is H delta line, having lowest wavelength because energy difference between 6th and 2nd orbit is maximum. So option D is the answer here. Next, say this. The wave number of H alpha line in Balmer series of hydrogen spectrum is H alpha in Balmer series. So Balmer series means N1 equal to 2. H alpha from third orbit to second orbit, electron transition takes place. We can get spectral line, that is H alpha. So this is Rydberg equation, Balmer series N1 value equal to 2, H alpha means N2 value 3, substitute, we can get answer. So option A is the answer. See the next one. Which of the following transition is associated with colored spectral line? Colored spectral line means generally in hydrogen spectrum we can observe spectral lines in different regions, UV, IR, visible. In this way, 3 regions. Only in visible region we can observe colors. In UV region, IR region we cannot observe any colors. So electron transition takes place into visible region. That transition may have colored spectral line. So what is the possibility? Visible region means Balmer series of lines appear in visible region. Balmer series means N1 value 2. So from 4th orbit to 2nd orbit, electron transition takes place. Then spectral lines appear in Balmer series. That Balmer series may have colored spectral lines. Option B is the answer. Okay. See the next one. Important points this. When electron jumps from higher energy level to ground state in atomic sample, then maximum number of spectral lines observed in the spectrum equal to n into n minus 1 by 2. From any higher energy level to ground state means first orbit, electron jumps takes place, we can get maximum number of spectral lines. Formula n into n minus 1 by 2. Next, second formula. When electron jumps from higher energy level N2 to lower energy level N1 in atomic sample, then number of spectral lines observed in the spectrum equal to N2 minus N1 into N2 minus N1 plus 1 divided by 2. Next, when electron jumps from higher energy level N2 to lower energy level N1 in isolated atom, then the number of spectral lines observed in the same series of spectrum equal to N2 minus N1. Now see the question related to this. When the electron of 5th orbit jumps into the first orbit, the number of spectral lines produced in the hydrogen spectrum. So electron present in 5th orbit jumps into first orbit. N2 value 5, N1 value 1. Here, what is the suitable formula? First formula is the suitable formula. See the first formula, from higher energy level to ground state. Here also higher energy level is 5th orbit, ground state or first orbit. So suitable formula, number of spectral lines equal to n into n minus 1 by 2. N value 5. Substitute, we can get 10. So 10 spectral lines are possible in this case. So option B is the answer. Next. The electron present in the 5th orbit in excited hydrogen atoms returned to ground state. The number of spectral lines which appear in Lyman series of hydrogen atom. So particularly 5th orbit to ground state electron jumping takes place means different possibilities are there. See that one. 5th orbit to, they gave a condition 5th orbit to ground state. See here in the diagram. From 5th to 1 directly jumping takes place. Otherwise 5th to 4, 4 to 3, 3 to 2, 2 to 1. Okay. When it reaches to 4, directly from 4 to 1, that is one possibility. 3 to 1, second possibility. 2 to 1, third possibility. Directly 5th to 1, fourth possibility. In this way, total 4 possibilities are there. So number of spectral lines in this case in Lyman series, N1 value 1, N2 value any higher energy level. So here number of spectral lines equal to formula N2 minus N1, 5 minus 1, that equal to 4. Students, understand this question carefully. Higher energy level 5th orbit, lower energy level ground state. Electron jumping takes place from 5th orbit to 1st orbit. In that case, 4 possibilities are there. Electron transition occurs directly from 5th to 1. That is one possibility. Otherwise, electron jumps from 5th to 4. it means from 4 to 1 direct jumping takes place. This is second possibility, otherwise 5th to 3rd, and from 3rd to 1. 3rd to 1 means 4th possibility, 5th to 2nd, and 2nd to 1. This is also 4th, another possibility in Lyman series. So total 4 possibilities are there. So option D is the answer for this. Okay, we will see in the next class.